Glory Wambui kuma kaunti ya Ukuru ni umwe wa airitu aria agumiirwo ni thina wa ruo mukiriku hindi ya kahinda gake ka mweri uria uikaine ta endometriosis. Wambui uria wina ukuru wa miaka makiria ma 20 ambiriirie thina uyu ena ukuru wa miaka 16 kuria atambite gukurana na kiria kiramugia thutha wa kunyua dawa mithemba itiganite ya kunina ruo ruria ari naguo.
We should check why it's so painful than the rest, because some are just okay, some are okay with it, some just have that normal pain. Then yours is so painful, like you're vomiting, you cannot eat, you just go, unapatiwa dawa ya kuvomit, unapatiwa Buscopan, then you're good with it. The next month again.
Thutha wa kwamukira urigitani thibitari-ini, haha niho akuranire thina uria uramugia na kwambiriria thabari ya guthinjwo undomwe na kugeria kurua na thina wa kimeciria wa depression.
I have ulcers. Now, hapo ndio tulikuwa tunapambana na so sometimes napatiwa very strong medicines, then ulcer inauma and you have to take those medicines because now this one nilikuwa na feel kama ni more delicate, so balancing another kind of health issue and that one that is there at that time ilikuwa hard.
Kurigana na mutaramu wa mathina ma atumia thibitari-ini wa Nakuru level 5 Adelaide Baraza ni ugite thina wa endometriosis duhonagwo no ni urigitagwo na dawa mahinda kwa mahinda.
Trying to help even those in the marginalized areas, helping them to know themselves, to create this awareness, to know themselves maybe before ikue a bad condition.
Riu Wambui ni athingatite kuga ni kwambiriria kampeini ya guthomithia airitu na atumia uria mangiikara undumwe na kwamukira urigitani wa thina uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.